What's going on, guys? AJ Simon here, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be exposing Big Mark and whether or not he is an actual scammer. Okay, so I see a lot of comments on YouTube, and it gets quite frustrating. Like I see people saying, "Oh, yeah, this guy's a scammer, this guy's a scammer," and they'll dedicate an entire channel just to exposing these people. When in fact what they're doing is actually just getting you to watch their videos so they can make even more money promoting whatever it is that they're promoting. And they don't even really do the research to back up their claims. So what I want to do is break down Big Mark's channel so you can see for yourself that in fact he is not a scammer. Yeah, he uses clickbaity titles to get people to click on his videos, and the methods that he teaches inside his videos don't make that much money. Most of these programs that he is showing will only make you like $1 to $5 a day. Like honestly, they're not that great. In fact, like a lot of the PayPal app videos and things like that, telling you how to make money, have you go through ridiculous hours sitting at your computer and literally being like a slave to your keyboard and mouse, and that's really not a legitimate. It's a legitimate way. Like you can earn money, but you're not going to make life-changing money. And honestly, it's just not worth it. Okay, so like what we're gonna do is I'm just going to show you his channel, his latest video, how to make $100 a day making videos with no subscribers. Okay, so first off, what he does, and I'll just click here to watch the video, and I'll watch it on YouTube. What he does is he has a very compelling headline that gets you to click on the video, right? And then a thumbnail, so like you can see on the sides, all these people use different thumbnails, which we all know they do that, okay? It's just clickbait. That's how you get you to actually view the video. And so there's a number of ways that he'll make money from this video. The first way is going to be AdSense revenue from YouTube itself. So like the more views you get, the more money you can make. And according to the analytics here, it says that he makes $298 to $4,800 a month in estimated earnings. So he doesn't make that much money from AdSense revenue. And yeah, he wants to keep people watching his videos because he does get paid for more watch time, but he's not making that much. So how does he make the actual money? How is he actually making the big money? It's through affiliate marketing, guys. I mean, everybody is so into this, oh, he's scamming me and he's just trying to take my hard-earned money. And do your due diligence. Like if you're going to join a program, make sure you research it and whether or not you can afford to actually join it, or whether or not you're even going to have the time to learn marketing and do marketing to actually promote the program and make money. But don't just call someone a scammer just because you're lazy, I guess. Like you just think you just want to point the finger like, oh, well, this guy's making money. Don't be envious, okay? Like he has videos that teach you some cool stuff, but a lot of his videos tend to be a little misleading, especially like the proof videos, because he's not really verifying that those are actually his earnings from the websites that he's claiming that he's making money from. He just shows you a screenshot and then he moves on to the next topic. Like he'll show you the website and he'll show you the website's testimonials on the website, so you can't trust those, right? Like if they say, oh, so and so was paid out this much money on this website, so and so, but you don't know that, not for a fact. You can't prove it. So what he's doing is he's getting screen captures, okay, of income proof, and then he's just saying, okay, well, I've made it from this website, and the fact is, it's not 100% true. But you can make money. You can make money from those websites, but you're not going to make that much money from those websites. So what he does is then he says down here, my number one recommended station to make a full-time income online, and this is how he's actually making the money. Okay, he goes to a lead capture page. So I'll open this up in a new tab, and then from the lead capture page, visit the web page anyway. Apparently it's not private. Oh, gonna have to add my. That's cool. Never had that happen before. That was freaking hilarious. Okay, so he has a lead capture page, right? And he's asking for your email. So you click on this. He asks for your email. So then you just put in your email address, which I'll just put in mine. And then he's getting your email, right? And then he's going to follow up with you via email to promote a program. So what this page is called a bridge page. This is just to warm people up to get to know him more, so they can say, okay, well, this is a guy I want to learn from. So they watch the video, and then they click continue, like he says. And then it's going to go to the #1 program that he recommends, which is Legendary Marketer. Now, there's a lot of mixed feelings about Legendary Marketer. A lot of people say that, it's a scam and all this. But the fact is, Legendary Marketer is just an online program, okay? Like, it teaches you internet marketing, it teaches you email marketing, it teaches you different stuff like that. So you wouldn't go to a professor and say, hey, you scammed me. I got a college degree and you scammed me. No, you learned a skill, right? You don't call them a scammer. But the thing is, and I'm not trying to get mean or mad or whatever, but the thing is, it's just a program, right? You can't call someone a scammer for promoting an educational program. Now, their products are priced way too high, in my opinion. Like, some of the information that they're teaching for $2,500 is not worth it. It's just not. You can learn this stuff for free on YouTube if you do the right keyword research and you type in the right phrases. You can learn this stuff. And yeah, so it's not a scam. It's just a program that, you make money with it. But it's a pay to promote program, okay? So it's basically like, oh, if you want to make money with Legendary Marketer, you have to pay like the big money to make money with it. Not the kind of business model that I like, because I don't want to ask anybody to like put in $2,500 just so they can promote a program, because it's just silly. What I would like to show people how to do is start a business from scratch and then make some money and then reinvest that money and grow the business as they start learning more. So this is his primary income stream, is Legendary Marketer, right? And another email newsletter that he's asking for. And so that's what he does. And then down here, if you look at its tools, so he has affiliate programs, right? So this is his favorite money system. That's also Legendary Marketer, that video up there. But the tools he uses, this YouTube tool, is probably, if we click on that and open it up, and people use this, it's TubeBuddy. So he probably earns a commission from this. It's all for free. And then if they upgrade to a paid plan, then they earn a commission, right? Affiliate marketing. Not a scam. Email software, autoresponder. So we'll see what this is. This is probably something that people can use. It's Aweber, okay? Aweber pays out like 30% commissions per month for you to promote them, right? And so people use this and they start collecting emails and they build their list and they start promoting products. He's going to make a commission if they use his link, right? That's affiliate marketing, not a scammer, okay? Clickbaity videos? Yes, definitely clickbaity videos. Questionable income proof? Yeah, because the income proof is probably from one of these programs that he's promoting down in the description. It's not from the program that he's saying he can make money from watching videos or whatever. It's from an affiliate program. So the landing page builder. How much you want to bet this is ClickFunnels? I bet it is. Oh my gosh, it is ClickFunnels. Okay, so what do you know? A landing page builder where people can build sales funnels and promote products online, right? That's what ClickFunnels is. I think it's like $97 a month, right? And they can build their own landing pages, just like the one that he had, to promote their own courses and make money. So when people get in here, he's earning a residual commission as well from ClickFunnels. So that's how he makes his money. He basically will research little programs. Okay, let's go back to his channel. There's like a gnat or something flying around here. It's annoying. So he'll research different little programs, and then he'll do a video basically screen sharing, showing the program, showing the website, and then showing how they can get started and make money with it. But the problem is these programs don't pay you what he's claiming. I mean, he does say you can't make as much money with these programs, okay? But they don't pay you hundreds of dollars a day to watch videos. I'm sorry, guys. Like, that doesn't exist. It just doesn't, all right? Like, you might make $5 a day or $10 a day, but at the end of the day, you put in a 15-hour shift to make $10. No, don't do it. Like, learn real affiliate marketing. Like, learn how to do real affiliate marketing, okay? So, like, that's what he does. He creates these videos to get the views, makes money from YouTube ads, and he makes money from affiliate programs. Like landing page builders, that's ClickFunnels. He makes money from Legendary Marketer, that's an online course, okay? He makes money from his email marketing software, Aweber, that he promotes. So, you gotta think, like, how can you do the same thing? Are you going to point the finger at someone and say that they're a scammer? Or are you going to learn from them? Don't do what they say in these videos, because what they say to do in these videos, these clickbaity videos, are not the biggest way to make money. That's not how they're making their money, right? They're making their money from affiliate marketing. They're making their money from the links in the description of all their videos. So is that a questionable method to make money? Yeah, it is. It's questionable because I don't know. To me, it just seems like it's a little too misleading. But the whole goal. But I do like the fact that he promotes a course that's actually going to teach them something. I don't really know like if Legendary Marketer teaches you everything. I just do know they are an information course, and one of the buddies I talked to on Facebook said that you do learn email marketing and you do learn copyright writing, so skills on how to write like sales pages and things like that, and you learn how to like sell, right? But is it worth the price? No, I don't think it is. I don't think it's worth thousands of dollars. You can honestly learn internet marketing for a lot cheaper, a lot more affordable. And in fact, like I even have my own course, my own affiliate program, and I let you promote my products, okay? And then I pay you 50% commissions, and that way you don't have to pay me thousands of dollars. You can just promote my products and make money, and then you can make videos like what he's doing, and then promote those affiliate products and those affiliate courses. So like if you find a course like on how to make money online using Fiverr, right? Then you can do a video showing people how to go on Fiverr.com and then post a gig and then sell a service, right? That's a service. That's a legitimate way to make money. So pretty much all I want to say, I'm really hopped up like on Red Bull right now. So all I want to say is he's making money from affiliate marketing and he's making money from YouTube AdSense revenue. His thumbnails, very clickbaity, very questionable thumbnails as far as that's concerned. The income proof, not from those programs, okay? Just totally not. Unless he's willing to actually prove, like logging into his account for the program that he's talking about in the video and prove that it's an actual commission from that, then it's most likely from Legendary Marketer, or it's from Aweber, or it's from ClickFunnels. It's one of those things. And it's affiliate marketing. So that's it, guys. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, internet marketing, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be creating more videos like on how to create landing pages, how to create sales funnels, affiliate marketing programs to promote, email marketing, things like that, how to write effective emails. Anything you really want to learn about making money online, I'm going to be showing you. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, he's not a scammer. He's not. In my opinion, he's not a scammer. He's just redirecting people. He's redirecting traffic to an online affiliate program. And he's got a few of them in his description. That's all he does. So, you know, if that's what you want to learn how to do, then do it, right? So I can even show you my channel. If I come over here, like my watch time in the last 28 days or whatever is like 200 hours, right? And I've only gotten like 1 subscriber. But you know what? I'm putting in the work, right? I'm putting in the work. And then if you come over here to like, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see like I have review videos, the lost code, how to build a profitable sales funnel, 140 views, ClickFunnels alternative. So I was promoting Builderall, right? An affiliate program. And you can do the same thing too. So I'm going to have some links in the description of this video. Basically my #1 recommended way to make money online, which is Builderall, by the way, because they're awesome. And yeah, I hope you have an awesome day. And until next time.